Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed that how can we send the assignment in Google Classroom for grading in our teacher's account in our class. So in this lecture, in this tutorial, we are going to discuss that how can we view our checked assignment and the marks that the teacher have graded. So for that, first of all, we are going to open our Google Classroom app. So after that, we are going to click on our particular class for which we are going to see the paper and the graded marks by the teacher. First, suppose I am going to click 10th C Boys Computer, and then we are going to move to classwork, and in the classwork we are going to click on phase 1 test 1. First, suppose this is the paper test 1, phase 1 test 1 paper, and then objective paper. I am going to see the objective paper of me, that how many marks I have got. So you can see at the bottom right corner that I have got 4 out of 6 marks, and there is mentioned done late. The assignment have been done late by me. So you can see there are 4 marks out of 6 at the bottom. And if you want to see the paper, the checked paper that the teacher have checked, we can see in the you can say the when we click on upward arrow, I can show you. I will show you the arrow. This is the upward arrow. You will click on this arrow and you can see the paper that have been checked by the teacher. Image, and image is the file that we have uploaded in the teacher's account and edited. The edited image, the image with the edited name, is the file that the teacher have uploaded in our account after grading. So we are going to check that. You can see there are 4 MCQs are wrong, and I have got 4 marks out of 6. So this is my mark. These are my marks. And if you want to see the your subjective paper, you can also check that subjective. You will click on subjective and you can see 15.5 marks out of 22. These are the marks that I have got in my subjective paper. Okay, 15.5 out of 22. And after that, if you want to see the subjective paper, you will click on the upward arrow, and the images with the edited name are the images that the teacher have uploaded in my account. So I will check all the images one by one so that I can know my mistakes. So 5 out of my 5 marks in the subjective portion, and other images as well. One question is wrong, you can see there, and other images. So other question is wrong, and 3 marks in the short questions. So these are the papers that my teacher have graded and checked 4.5 marks. So if you sum up all the marks, that will be 15.5 marks. Okay. At the top you will see the images that you have uploaded, and at the bottom side in the bottom with the edited name, you will see the images that teacher have uploaded in my account after checking. So these are the steps for you by which you can see the checked paper and the graded papers and the marks of your particular subject. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.